Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about on, above and over. What's the difference between on, above and over? We use above when something is not touching, and we use over when something is moving, and on is used for touching. On is used for touching, above is used for not touching, and over is used for moving. Here we see some examples. The plane flies blank the house. Now the plane is moving, so here we use over. The plane flies over the house. The next one is the cup is blank the table. Now the cup is touching the table, so here we use on. The cup is on the table. The picture is hung dash the window. The picture is not touching, so here we use above the window. The picture is hung above the window. The bird is flying dash the tree. The bird is flying. Flying is, it means the bird is moving, so here we use over. The bird is flying over the tree. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.